There is no shortage of fascinating tourist attractions and tourist sites for the first-time travelers to such an ancient land like Iran. But what about on that next visit? When you have already done Tehran, Shiraz, and Persepolis, and the beautiful Isfahan. Fortunately, Iran has a lot more to offer. Some 410 kilometers to the east of Tehran, halfway between the capital and the holy city of Mashhad at the junction with the Gorgan Road, sits the city of Shahroud. Shahrud is truly called the little continent of Iran. Historical sites, ancient monuments, and great people. Land of ecological and cultural diversity. It is one of the birthplaces of Islamic mysticism, home to mystics like Bayazid Bastami and Sheikh Abul Hassan Kharaqani. If you fancy a little bit adventure out in the nature, that's climbing or driving up the mountain with an SUV, and breathing some fresh air in one of the oldest and most beautiful forests in Iran. Head off the beaten track to Jangal Aql. Caspian Hyrcanian mixed forests and high peaks of East Alborz mountain range lie in north of the city of Shahrud and shape a marvelous mixture of natural elements. You cannot believe that you are in Semnan Province, not far from Iran's central desert and Kharturan National Park, a biosphere reserve. Right there, you will realize why Shahrud is called a little continent. In this forest, clouds are so close to the trees that make it seem like the forest is riding the clouds, and you can wander in the clouds. Many tourists believe that this is one of the most scenic places in Iran's nature. Today's age of high technology, our hunger for the natural world still endures. In fact, our connections with nature could just be the best medicine for people of all ages, improving our health, happiness, and well-being. Those same connections could also heal the planet. Let's get our children and teenagers out in the natural world and engage them with its beauty and vibrant spirit. In the end, it is their and our relationships with nature that will determine our futures.